Hi guys, a day in life as a full-time writer staying at home. So, maaga ako nagising ngayon. I will write one chapter for today, this morning. Tara! So, una kong gagawin is yung first chapter. Sinusulat ko na siya. And here, as you can see, ito yung draft ko at continue ko pa siya later, dalawang chapter na mamayang gabi. I-share ko din sa inyo isa sa mga ginagawa ko. Eto. This is Ata Ka-Live. Ito ay isang earning app na kung saan kumikita ako ng $9 per nakadepende yon sa sipag mo. As you can see here, $9.88 na. Bilang isang full-time writer, need na natin ng pera and we do multitasking, which is earning in a live streaming app. Second, this is the second account, which is Pupu Live. Dito, maraming nakong kita guys. And this is my payout, soon to be payout. Excited na excited yan. O, diba? So, ipakita ko sa inyo kung ilan na yung naipon ko. Okay? Here, as you can see, I already have $9.68 at malapit na siya mag $10 guys. Not just nagsusulat ka ng chapter, but also earning at the same time.